Hello everyone, try to show you my new hibachi grill from Marsh Island. It is a cast iron grill. It's very heavy and solid, seems to be good. Well, it took me about 20 something minutes to put it together slowly. You will need to have a screwdriver that is not provided. The model that I ordered is 3052. Actually, it's AMZ, but the manual doesn't seem to have the AMZ. There. And I think that the difference is on the this charcoal holding grill there. From the picture that I see online, the more expensive one seems to be also cast iron. For this one, it's just seems to be just regular wire. The grill is made in China. Overall, it's a nice grill with some minor thing. For first thing first is when I receive it, I have some crack there, not that's a big problem. Some of the spacing is just seems to be pretty loose, which I have to probably tighten it further. I tried it already. The other thing is the grill is actually, if you notice that it's not balanced. The other little area that I need to improve is it's just not very, when you put the grill in, this grill area in, it's just not, you can't stick in here too far in, so it doesn't get to give you a very even surfaces, which I think still can be improved easily with a grinder or something, but I'd rather have it good. Well, for $30, I suppose that's just what you get. It's not a very expensive grill. Might just make do. So if you're looking for one, if you don't mind to do a little bit DIY to improve a little bit, I think this is okay. Otherwise, if you're hoping for something that's very high quality, by the way, then this is probably not what you want. You will need to have some skill to modify it. I don't think it's hard, but sometimes you also need to have a right tool. This is kind of annoying that it's not even on 4 legs there. Okay, everyone. So you know, and maybe it's a good grill for you, or maybe not. I'll try to post some video later when I start using it. There you go for now.